Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a really quick, really short tutorial where I'll show you how to do mini twists by yourself. So yeah, keep watching, subscribe to my channel. Right, let's go. So the first thing I do is give myself a middle part. If you guys know me, you know that I love middle parts. So I give myself a middle part and I split my hair, the front section, into two halves. So I'm going to be working one section at a time. The next thing I do is sort of slightly finger detangle, and then I take this moisturizing braid spray from Rookie Hair Care. It's really easy to use. I just spray that all over that section to moisturize and I work it in. Now I'm dividing that section into smaller sections just so I can, really get in there and moisturize it properly. I spray some more of the moisturizing braid spray and then we're going to get to work. Alright, so now we're going to be taking small sections. I'm just showing you how thick my sections are, and I'm taking a hair butter from Rookie Hair Care and I'm applying that all over that small section, and then I'm going to split that small section in two halves and begin to twist, taking one leg of my hair over the other leg. So yeah, I tried to show you guys exactly how I do this, but we're pretty much just twisting it loosely. I don't twist it too tight because with natural hair, I feel like mini twists they look better when your hair turns out fluffy, and the way to get your hair to turn out fluffy is to not twist your hair too tight. So I twist it really loosely, and yeah, that's what I'm just going to keep doing for the rest of my head. Apply some hair butter and then twist up.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat, need no one else. You're all I need, personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's true, I'm digging you, you make me believe.
Alright guys, so this is actually the next day. I finished this hair yesterday, but there was no life for me to continue the video, so I just decided to finish it up today. It took me 2 hours. Remember, the time I showed you was about 6:17. I was done by 7 minutes past 8, so I was done in about 2 hours. And yeah, let me just take it out and show you guys.
Baby, you don't know what you do to
Know your hair is original. Shake your hair, shake your hair, shake your hair.
So this is what it looks like. It's really cute, really cute, and I can style it however I want. I can do like a fringe and pack this up, or do a fringe and pack it to the back. I can just style it anyhow I want, and that's like the best part of this hairstyle for me. So I have church now. Just came here to finish up this video, and yeah, I'm going to go in with the moisturizing braid spray that I used earlier and just apply it to my hair. And that's another great thing about this hairstyle. It's easy to moisturize your hair in it. You don't need to get access to your roots because it's not braided, so you can just spray, just get a good moisturizing spray and you'll be good. You can also use a spray bottle, actually a regular spray bottle like the one I always use. So I'm just spraying this all over. Start it in. And guys, do you know how hard I find it to believe that my hair is not even 2 years old yet? My hair is just about 1 year and 7 months old. 1 year and 7 months. Wow. My scalp, care for your scalp. Scalp is very important. I'm going in with my Ziza Rejuvenating Growth Oil. I'm going to just apply this to my fingers.
come and take your place. This love you give, can't be replaced. So no one else do. That's why I
Okay, that's it guys. The easiest mini twist hairstyle ever. And you can make it yourself. You don't need any special skills to do this hairstyle, so yay. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's a really short video, it's a really short tutorial, but that's just how simple this hairstyle is to make. I hope you try it out and let me know when you try it. Follow me on my social media and I will see you in my next video. Of course, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.